Ever wondered how you can use AI to make you money? The opportunities in crypto are huge right now, and there are a whole range of tools designed to help beginners just like you take advantage. In this video, we'll go through some must-know AI tools that can help you make some serious money in crypto. No advanced skills required. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming the way we interact with all facets of life, including crypto.
I think there is a really strong opportunity for a very positive future with AI, just in terms of how massively it can improve our productivity.
Imagine stepping into a world where AI takes on the heavy lifting, simplifying complex decisions, and providing insights you wouldn't otherwise have access to. For beginners, AI tools can be a game changer, making it easier to understand the market and even automating parts of trading. Today, we'll walk through 5 essential AI tools that are perfect for beginners. And to make sure you're getting the most out of these tools, we'll share an expert tip at the end on how to combine these AI tools effectively. Even if you're brand new to crypto, you'll have a practical roadmap by the time we're done. Before we start, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional advisor before making any investment decisions. When you're new to crypto, you quickly realize just how overwhelming it can be to keep up with the flood of news, tweets, and headlines. Everywhere you look, there's a new update, and it's hard to tell what really matters. But staying informed is crucial, as major news is what drives price movements, often faster than we can keep up. That's where our first tool comes in, an AI-enhanced news aggregator. These tools make it easier to filter out the noise, showing you only the most relevant updates, so you're not spending hours scrolling through endless feeds. CoinFi is a great example. This platform is built to simplify your news experience, curating price updates, market trends, and industry news all in one place. Designed with beginners in mind, CoinFi lets you filter news based on specific coins or topics that matter to you. Imagine being able to focus only on updates related to your portfolio, while everything else stays in the background. CoinFi pulls data from top sources and provides real-time updates, with visual aids like graphs to help you quickly understand the impact of market events. You're no longer just reading headlines. You're seeing the bigger picture without feeling overwhelmed. For anyone getting started in crypto, CoinFi is highly recommended. Its clean interface, real-time updates, and the ability to track over 6,000 cryptocurrencies make it an ideal choice to stay informed and make smarter decisions in this fast-moving space. And remember, stick around because we'll be sharing how to combine this with other tools for maximum impact. Now that you're staying updated with news, let's tackle the next challenge: understanding the basics. As a beginner, diving into crypto and AI can feel like learning a new language. AI learning platforms offer a structured way to build your knowledge and make sense of it all. They also allow for this knowledge to be democratized, enabling those who are motivated to learn about this brand new space.
Trying to create paths that are accessible to more people across wealth levels, across age levels, across regional and national levels, I think is going to be really valuable.
Coursera is a top choice here. Imagine sitting in a virtual classroom with some of the world's leading experts, breaking down complex topics into simple, digestible lessons. Coursera offers courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, where AI is explained in practical terms, making it accessible to beginners. There are also courses focused specifically on blockchain technology, guiding you through everything from how transactions work to the principles behind decentralized networks. One of the best things about Coursera is its flexibility. You can take a full course for free to get the basics or opt for a paid version if you want a certificate. This means you can start with free content and see how much you learn before committing. For beginners, Coursera is highly recommended as it provides an engaging and thorough introduction to both crypto and AI fundamentals. By gaining a solid understanding of these topics, you'll be better prepared to make informed decisions and leverage AI-powered tools effectively. Keep watching to the end, as we'll share how to leverage the knowledge from these learning platforms alongside the other tools on our list. If you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're here to provide more beginner-friendly insights and keep you up to date on the latest tools and trends in crypto.
The unlock that would happen if we could just get truly abundant intelligence, truly abundant energy, what we'd be able to make happen in the world.
Okay, so now that you have a grasp of the basics and you know where to get your news, the next step is understanding all of the data you're being given. Crypto markets move fast, and when you're starting out, making sense of all the charts, stats, and trends can feel like trying to read another language. That's where AI-driven analytics platforms come in. One of the most powerful tools in this space is the block, which provides a range of analytics tools to guide you through the crypto market. Think of it like having a map that highlights potential opportunities and warns you of possible risks. The block offers a data dashboard with over 130 charts, covering everything from on-chain metrics to DeFi trends. For beginners, these charts break down complex data into clear visuals, making it easier to understand trends without feeling overwhelmed. You'll also get access to research reports, which are like having an expert break down the latest trends and technologies in crypto for you. This feature provides deep dives into market shifts and emerging technologies, so you're not just watching the market. You're learning about its dynamics from trusted sources. And with their news coverage section, you can stay on top of major events with articles and expert opinions, giving you a well-rounded view of the crypto space. For those navigating crypto for the first time, the block combines accessible data with deep insights, helping you make informed decisions as you go. And don't forget, stick around to the end, where we'll cover how to use tools like the block alongside others on this list to build a smarter, more effective crypto strategy. And if you're looking for ways to make analytics even easier, stay tuned. We'll be sharing an expert tip on how to integrate this tool with others to take your strategy to the next level. Now that you're staying informed and making sense of market data, let's talk about managing your investments. Imagine this. You've got Bitcoin, maybe a little Ethereum, and perhaps a few smaller coins, each on different exchanges. Keeping track of how each one is performing and knowing when to make adjustments can quickly become overwhelming. That's where an AI-powered portfolio tracker can be a lifesaver. A platform like CoinStats simplifies everything by gathering all of your assets in one place. Think of it as your personal financial dashboard, where you can see exactly how each asset is performing and spot any weak areas in your portfolio. CoinStats connects to multiple exchanges and wallets, so you get a bird's-eye view of your entire portfolio, even if you're using several accounts. One of the great features for beginners is CoinStats' ability to set custom alerts. For instance, if you've set a target price for a particular coin, CoinStats can notify you when it's time to take action, whether that's to sell, buy, or simply monitor. This way, you're not constantly checking prices but still stay in control of your investments. Another benefit? CoinStats breaks down your asset distribution so you can see if you're too heavily invested in one area or if there's room to diversify. This insight is invaluable, especially for beginners who might not realize how quickly a portfolio can get out of balance. For beginners, CoinStats is an ideal choice because it turns portfolio tracking from a manual, time-consuming task into a streamlined experience that gives you full visibility. If you're interested in trying it out, there's a link in the description that gives you 10% off. And keep watching. At the end, we'll go over how you can combine a tool like CoinStats with others on this list to create a comprehensive crypto strategy. Now that you're tracking news, understanding market data, and managing your portfolio, the next step is looking ahead and trying to anticipate market movements. Predicting prices might sound complex, but AI-powered price prediction tools make it much more accessible, even for beginners. Token Metrics is an excellent choice here. It's an AI-based research and analysis platform designed to help users find high-potential investments. Token Metrics uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze historical data, trends, and sentiment to give you potential price predictions for thousands of cryptocurrencies. Think of it as having a personal crypto analyst that gives you valuable insights on where the market might go next. For instance, if you're considering investing in a new altcoin, Token Metrics can help you assess its potential by providing data-backed price forecasts and ratings. This allows you to make more informed choices on when to buy, hold, or wait. all without needing to dive into complex technical analysis yourself. And for anyone interested in giving token metrics a try, check out the link in the description for a 10% discount on their advanced features.
The internet, the iPhone, a huge amount of knowledge available at your fingertips, and you can do things that your predecessors would find absolutely breathtaking.
Now that you know about these 5 essential tools, let's bring it all together. Combining these AI-powered platforms can help you build a well-rounded crypto strategy, even if you're just starting out. Here's how you can use each tool in harmony to maximize their impact. Start with news aggregators to stay informed. Begin your day by using a news aggregator like CoinFi to catch up on major headlines and trends. This ensures you stay aware of news that could affect the market, giving you context before making any moves. Deepen your knowledge with learning platforms. Use platforms like Coursera to continue building your understanding of crypto and AI fundamentals. Whether it's exploring blockchain technology or learning how AI works, this knowledge will make it easier to interpret the insights you get from the other tools. Leverage analytics platforms for in-depth insights. Once you spot an interesting trend or opportunity, head to the block for deeper analysis. Use its data dashboards and research reports to confirm whether the market data aligns with the news you've seen. This step adds another layer of validation to your decisions. Track your progress with portfolio trackers. After making an investment, stay on top of your performance with CoinStats. Set custom alerts to keep track of price changes and use its dashboard to check whether your portfolio is balanced and aligned with your goals. Anticipate market movements with price prediction tools. Finally, use token metrics to assess future price trends and gain insights into potential opportunities. Whether you're considering buying, holding, or waiting, token metrics can give you data-driven predictions to guide your timing. By following this flow, staying informed, analyzing trends, tracking your investments, and using AI predictions, you're creating a cohesive strategy that's powered by some of the best AI tools available. With the right tools, you can make smarter decisions, automate parts of your strategy, and stay informed without being overwhelmed. And if you're interested in exploring more about AI and crypto, be sure to check out our other video, The Top AI Crypto Projects Right Now, for an in-depth look at the latest projects in this exciting space. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you succeed in crypto. See you in the next video.